We are smoking the fraud pack. Liverpool have conceded hella fucking chances in the last two games. So what does super slick, super duper Mick? He knows exactly what we need. Danny at the back. Gabion. Get out of here, bruv. So what does this manager do? Oh, he decides to go with 4 centre-backs. Good one, mate. 4 centre-backs. Well done. One of which, by the way, we've just found out was injured in the warm-up. Good one, mate. Injured in the warm-up, Saliba. Cool. Injured in the warm-up, so you decided to let him play. Oh, but he wanted to play. Cool. Of course he wanted to play. You have a duty of care, mate. To your players, to your squad, to the club, to the fans, all the fucking fans that have travelled all the way up to Liverpool. I've done that trip. I've done it multiple times. Never seen a win, by the way. Never seen a draw. Well, I've seen a draw. Never seen a win. However, you decided to play 4 centre-backs, Zibby Doo, Declan Rice, and Sociedad's third best midfielder. But don't worry, guys. At least we got Eze. They made a song and a dance about Eze. They made a mural about Eze. What does this manager do? Bench. Martinelli came on after 70 minutes against Leeds, I think it was. Today he played 70 minutes against Liverpool. You've done it back to front, mate. Back to front. Which is what this manager's entire career is. He's bamboozling everybody. Everybody. Why is Eze not starting the fucking game? Why? How are you getting a player injured in warm-up and then letting him play? Yeah, but boss, I can play. No, you're not playing, mate. Yeah, because I need you. But you know what he does? This manager thinks he's slicker than everyone else. He'll let you play. Now you're injured. See how quick he did that sub? Now it all makes sense. Mosquera was strapped and ready to go. Yeah, kit on, everything, ready to go. Why? Why? Because that manager knew. We didn't know. We knew after the game. This manager is the enemy of football. Yeah, I don't care if anyone likes me. I don't care if anyone hates me. I don't care whether you watch my channel, don't watch my channel. I genuinely couldn't give 2 flying Fs. Yeah, I'm going to keep calling this manager out. I'm going to keep calling out his deficiencies. Yeah, well, if people want to clip me up and post it all over your shit talk accounts, all over your Twitter accounts, guess what? Nobody cares, bruv. Nobody cares. Because ultimately, at some point, you're going to have to align your opinions with mine. This manager has spent nigh on £1 billion. 1 billion. Wow. You could buy 11 players for £80 million each and still have 120 million quid spare. You could buy £80 million players in 11 different positions on the pitch. You could build a whole 11, £80 million. And you still have 120 left for the subs. Going well, isn't it, guys? 6 years deep. Go to Anfield, 1 shot. It weren't even a shot. 1 shot on target. And it weren't even a shot on target. Alisson could have sat there with a deck chair out. Yeah, some arepas. I don't know what Brazilian beer is. I don't know, but big up to him. A cigar on the go. He had nothing to do. There was one moment where he flapped. That was it. The longer that game went on, I knew they'd score. To be fair, Szoboszlai, take a boo, son. Take a boo. That goal was crazy. Fair play to you, mate. Well done, because I don't rate you. Yeah, but you locked up Martinelli today. Oh, shock. Shiver me timbers. Make sure you sub to Lee Reacts as well. Kenny Ken's fan cam is coming next, then Jez, then Matty. Check out Anfield Agenda Craig as well. Bless up to him, man. Bless up to that guy every time. Yeah, it was cowardly today. He went to Anfield not to lose. But this is the gimmick this guy's been running since he's been here. Oh, well, we're unbeaten against the big 6 teams. Yeah, cool. Beat Bournemouth, mate. Beat Newcastle. Beat West. Oh, okay, cool. Wow, okay, sorry, I can't do that. You have to keep the gimmick going. All them fans that have gone up there today, and I know a lot of people that are in that away end today. Now, I know a lot of people that went to that away end today. They've gone up there on the train. They spent money on the ticket. Yeah, and the trains ain't cheap. The ticket was cheap, to be fair. But you sat there and watched that. At least I'm sat in my ass. I ain't gone out my ass to watch that shit. Pathetic. Spineless. Timber. Injured again, ole ole. Injury again. Injury again. Injury again, ole ole. Injury again, ole ole. But he couldn't sub him off. Do you know why? Because he'd used all his subs in that window. Dickhead. Absolute waster. This guy is an absolute fucking terrorist of football. Now, people want to talk about anti-football Jose, anti-football Simeone, it's anti-football Tony Pulis. This guy's worse than all of them. And he spent £1 billion. 1 billion. Let's start with the goalkeeper. The goalkeeper's sus. I've been telling everyone for time. He's sus. Why are you passing the ball to a player running back towards your goal in the penalty box? Did you not learn? Oh, of course, you have to listen to what Super Duper Mix says. Cool, carry on. Calafiori. Oh, the sweet prince. The sweet prince. The sweet prince. The guy's a scrub. Yeah, Mohamed Salah baby giraffe you, bruv. Find shame. But he's fun to watch. No, he's not, bruv. He's a liability. Timber. I like Timber. I think he's a decent player. Weren't his worst game. However, the game in general was crap. Let's just be real with it. Centre-backs. Well, Saliba shouldn't have been on the pitch in the first place. We've now found that out. Yeah, Gabby Magalhaes. Come on, bruv. You've got to do better than that. You have to do better than that. Declan Rice. Declan Rice is blood, sweat, and tears. Passion. Bosh. Passion merchant. Yeah. Gabby Magalhaes to a certain degree as well. They were two of our better players today. Timber as well. Zubimendi. Wow. Stop overrating players, guys, that you don't watch. I've watched him 60 odd times. I wouldn't say he was shit. But at the same time, what did he do? Mikel Merino spent half his time rubbing his ass off the grass. I'm a poet, I fully know it. Yeah, man thought he was Rasmus Højlund. Yeah, rubbing his batty off the grass. Bro, this ain't Carnival. Carnival was last weekend. Now, what are we doing here? Madueke. Madueke, bless up to you. Big up to you, mate. Yeah, because I don't rate you one bit. I don't. I didn't rate you at Chelsea, and I don't want you in my football club. However, prove me wrong. Today, you were our best player. You were easily our best player. I know the bar's low. Sorry to break it to you guys. The bar is low. However, that guy actually fucking wanted it today. Yeah, I've not seen him try and get on the ball as much when he was at Chelsea. And listen, I watch a lot of Chelsea on the other channel, Lee Reacts, make sure you sub. Yeah, this guy actually drove forward with purpose today. He actually worked his bollocks off today. Yeah, he didn't look like the scrub that I say he is. So fair play to him. For me, he was man of the match for Arsenal. Long may that continue, by the way, because all I want is for these players and this fucking manager to prove me wrong. Shut me up. Go and win the title. Go and win something. Just anything, bro. Anything. She won a fucking trophy. Big up my girl Sleggers. Big up the girls. Yeah, but at the same time, Madueke was easily head and shoulders our best player today. Other side. Oh dear. How did that guy play nearly 71 minutes? Crazy work. Crazy work. Got locked up by a number 10 playing and a fucking right back. Are you tapped? I reckon I could have played better than him today. Crazy. Victor Gyökeres. More yellow cards than shots. However, at the same time, where was the service? Oh, there's no service. Cool, Terrain, because we've got 3 fucking DMs in midfield. Cool. And 4 centre-backs in defence. Now, that guy went there to play for a fucking draw, you absolute waster. You're a loser, bruv. Get the fuck out of my football club. I've seen George Graham. Yeah, George Graham. I've seen Arsene Wenger. And I'm watching Mikel Arteta ball. It's embarrassing. Substitutes. Mosquera, I thought actually did all right when he came on. I thought he did all right. Fair play to him. Yeah, Martin Odegaard. Oh, dear God. Yeah, oh, dear God. Get out, bruv. Bye-bye. Take the armband off. Leave it on the side and say, there's my notice. You're not good enough for my football club. You never have been, by the way. There's a reason Madrid sold you, and there's a reason you're a failed wonder kid. Absolute fucking waster. Yeah, that guy slows everything down and passes sideways and backwards. To the left. Everything he passed to the box in the left. Fuck off, man. How about have a shot? You're on the edge of the fucking box and you don't shoot. Try and do some slick little reverse pass. Bro, you're not Mesut Ozil or Cesc, bro. Not David Silva. Not Kaká. Get out of here, man. This guy is rubbish. Absolute scrub. That guy is not good enough, bro. Yeah, it's embarrassing. Absolutely embarrassing. Who else even came on? Yeah, as soon as they score, I fucking tapped out. Fuck this club, man. I'm sick to death of this football club. One shot on target the entire game. Are you taking the piss out of me? Eze. How could I forget Eze and Dowman? Eze. You should have started the game, mate. Yeah? You was our second best player today. Well done to you, my friend. Yeah? Man looked pissed sat on the bench, by the way. And so he should do. You should have started, and you should be starting every fucking game. Big up to you. My fucking guy. My baller, bruv. Yeah, I fucking like you a lot. So make sure, yeah, you don't let me down. Please. I don't want to fucking hate on you, please. If you play shit, you're getting it. Yeah, if you play shit, you're getting it. If you drop a stinker, you're getting it. Same as any player. Play well, I'll praise you. That's how it's supposed to be. Dowman, pity minutes. 5 fucking minutes. Are you a mug? Well, he is a mug, isn't he? Man's nicking 15 million a year, thinking he's the slickest motherfucker on the planet. Get out of here. This guy is finished this season. Injuries galore. Who knew? Oh, I did, but I'm negative. Stop watching TikTok twats clipping me up, trying to portray me as negative. Ain't it, mate? How about watch my fucking content on my channel? Yeah, which reminds me, I'm going live for an emergency meeting after Kenny, Jez, and Matty's fan cams. Absolute shambles, mate. 1 shot on target at Anfield, £1 billion deep. No Ethan today. Okay, cool. Fantastic. The front 4 today should have been Gyökeres up front, Eze on the left. Not that I really want Eze on the left. I'd rather him in the 10. Ethan in the 10. Dowman on the right. Then you bring Madueke off the bench. You can bring Martinelli off the bench. They've been run ragged. The fullbacks. No, they had the cigars on, mate. They were chilling. They had the pipe on. Yeah? This man's on the fucking pipe, bro, because he is tapped. This manager is the biggest fucking single problem at this football club right now. Anyone still backing this manager, by the way, you're a massive problem as well. I don't give a fuck if you like me or not. Yeah, facts. Don't care about your feelings. This guy needs to leave my football club. It's gone too far, mate. 6 years in December. Boy, crazy work. On that bombshell, I'm out. Yeah, sack this manager. Go and get Xavi. And I don't even rate Xavi. The brand of football will be better and we'll be walloping teams left, right, and centre. Absolute fucking coward manager. Coward. Coward, mate.